Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Honesty. It's a pretty cool song to play. It's only got 4 chords, so let's get started. Alright, so how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna play it first, show you guys how it is, and then teach you guys the chords and the picking for this. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so it has only 4 chords. There's 2 variations of playing it. If you listen to the song, you got the low chords and you got the high chords. So I'll teach you the first half of that first. First chord is going to be a D minor 7. So that goes like this. So top string, skip the second, hitting the next 3. Then you got the E9, switching it from here. Then it goes to a C sharp minor 7. Then an F sharp 7. Okay, so D minor 7. E9, C sharp minor 7, and F sharp 7. Alright, so how we're going to do it here is for the starting with the D minor 7, we're going to hit the top string, skip the second, hit the third, and then we're going to hit the 4th and the 5th together. So so we're not going to hit the top string, we're going to hit the 2nd string. So it goes, then the E9, same thing, you know. Then we're going to go to the C sharp minor 7. F sharp 7. F sharp 7, you can actually just go down, straight down, or you can do the same thing, but actually, yeah, just go. So you're gonna top string, 3rd string, and then 4th and 5. So once you get that down, we're going to learn the other variations. All we're going to change is the C sharp minor 7. We're going to actually play it here, which is D minor 7, 2 frets up. Okay, so and then the F sharp 7 from here, we're going to go down to here and play it here. So I have the chords on the screen, how to play those 2. So in the song you got 2 variations of it. You got the low F sharp 7. So that's why I put the C sharp minor 7 here. It's easier. And then the high F sharp 7, which is here, you can play the C sharp minor 7 here. Okay. So it's exactly the same picking the way that you did the other one. So Alright, so now let's put those two together. We got the low parts first, and then it goes to the high. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And high. Back to low. That is how you play this song.